like the track.
And the camera's
Let her have top. Let her have top.
Top is rough to get. Top is hard to get his own clear stuff. You got this. Ready? Okay, go.
No, that wasn't set.
That's all good.
You can do it, Grace.
Keep going.
She's gonna do it again.
Come on, break through it. It's like 5 minutes to get to the top. There you go. One more.
Next one.
One more, Grace. It's the money shot right here.
Finish it, finish it.
That's you get pictures or video?
Video.
You know, we're putting YouTube now. Let's see this. CompUSA, just comes to employees. Wow. The lighter.
What else is great? Just out there?
That metal is pretty resilient.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, that one.
I'm sure I hit the middle, but it's not going to happen.
Just rip that off, dude. There you go, there we go.
Yeah.
Wait for Shauna to move. I thought you were going to Shauna.
I want Nick sorry to get on this, dude.
There's like nothing left of it.
The whole middle's left. And the back is left too.
Oh, here was what I was.
Oh, there we go, there we go.
Ooh, yeah, when they
This
grab
one's
it.
pretty heavy.
Yeah, come on, dude.
Hey now! You're up, kid. Let's go. You're up there.
You're up.
Everything you hear about CompUSA.
What are you doing?
Get him in here.
What are you doing? We'll show him.
Got the metal object.
Show him what's with it.
He's like, yeah.
Yeah? Get on it, man.
Wait, we have a computer left.
Oh, dude,
Where?
the monitor is what?
I got a laptop.
No, the back of the poppers are break, dude.
They can do it.
Just send me the email, I'll email it to everybody. Yeah, I did all those one in the middle.
Feels so good, doesn't it?
Remember Office Space?
I did that over here.
Oh, we got a printer somewhere, don't we?
Huh?
Let's get a printer.
Hey, you guys that looking to you gotta ask the mini SD. Oh, mini mistake.
Okay.
I want to try that
Do it
metal.
the entire side.
Feels so good, doesn't it?
We need
What was the mini SD story?
Go grab one off the floor. Get one of those broken ones on the floor, dude. One of those old ass ones.
Oh, we can't get a printer, can we?
Stand over here.
Be careful. It's gonna bounce back quite a bit, so be careful.
I'm afraid she's gonna let go of it. Just don't let go of the hammer, Grace.
Bill's window, $10.
Oh!
Shit, give him a medal now.
There we go.
Grace, that glass
Beside.
plastic part.
It's not glass.
We already broke most of it. Ryan didn't care earlier. I have one injury so far from this whole thing.
No,
You an injury?
no rage?
Not major.
No rage, Grace?
It's all good.
I-
This is workers' comp.
Oh! Hey now!
Gotta think of bad customers when you do this.
Oh!
There we
What's
go.
that, sir? You don't want tap? Let's try it again.
Does tap matter?
At one point in time we did. We didn't know what to do this. We gotta clean
It's gonna
this.
break through who wants to do it.
Not me.
I'll let Ryan. It's been a while for Ryan.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Cameraman gets the glory.
Look at the other side.
We have to pick this
Still recording, right?
Yep.
Okay.
You just sweep it. They'll just sweep it at the end, right?
Ryan, you got this, man.
Oh, look at it.
Whoa, good job.
Ryan has the best swing I think I've ever seen.
I think he's done this before.
He's got the best swing.
He's definitely done this before.
I think that's what it is. It's my first time really. No.
It's not made for
No, get the one that's already broke. There's one with like a top hat.
We should probably run that by Dustin. Hey, we should probably ask Dustin exit while I do it. Then we can't get in trouble.
We may need to open the back door again to get the shit out.
He's kind of angry about something, man.
Is something you're not telling
Hey,
us
Ryan,
now?
it's okay, man.
No. Keep
You
him
didn't mean
angry.
that, right?
This is entertaining.
come from?
Let's fix that.
That was amazing. Wow.
Alright guys, 14 more to go. Let's go bring them down one by one.
Oh, Wednesday's gonna be fun. The last day we're in here.
It just makes it easier to clean up, right?
Yeah. We have a shovel. We need to shovel.
Now do I turn it off? Please.